God is telling you that you have probably been silent for several years at this point. You must understand that you're a strong person right now. There is a lot of room for you to grow in the field. The world can only be changed by you. Be prepared for a significant improvement in your life. This major change in your life will make you more desirable and help you see things more clearly than you ever before. If you have found this video, then the universe has meant for you to see it. God is telling you that He is sending enormous blessings from above. Talk about significant and positive changes that have occurred in your life throughout the years. Stop talking about your small existence and stop perceiving things as small. Know that I made your shine light up soon for you. This December is merely preparing you step by step for what I have in store for you next year. Consider your mistakes as opportunities to learn from them and make forward plans for the tasks at hand. If something is bringing up memories, let God guide you through it. You now have the ability to view things in a more favorable perspective. He will never fail to keep His promise if you let Him access to your heart. God wants you to perceive the significant victory ahead of you. Never give up hope. You are getting there. Everything you desire is falling on you. Prepare your heart and mind to receive important revelations that God has prepared for you. Thank God for always allowing you to be a part of it.